Picture this. It's a quiet evening. I'm sitting at my desk with just my old laptop open, no fancy equipment, no big budget, and I get a notification on my phone. Another PayPal payment just came in, then another. By the end of the month, those small notifications added up to $1,234 in pure side income. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're here, you're probably like I was a few months ago. Curious about all these make money with AI videos, but tired of the hype, the crazy promises, and the feeling that everyone's just trying to sell you something. This video is different. I'm not going to tell you you'll make millions overnight. I'm not going to flash fake Lamborghini screenshots. I'm just going to show you exactly what I did, step by step, with completely free tools, to earn a realistic $1,200+ in 1 month. And the best part? You can try this too, starting today with zero money down. If you're ready for a real, transparent look at an AI side hustle that actually worked for me, stay with me. Let's dive in. Okay, let me take you back to where it all started. I didn't just wake up and say I'm going to make reels. No. I spent a full weekend researching because I knew the niche makes or breaks everything. I opened Google Trends, typed in things like productivity tips, work from home hacks, focus techniques, and wow, the graphs were climbing steadily. People are searching for this stuff every single day. Then I went to Reddit, subreddits like r productivity and r remote work, and saw hundreds of people asking the same questions. How do I stop procrastinating? What's the best way to manage distractions? That's when it hit me. Short, actionable tips, 15 to 30 seconds long, were perfect. People want quick wins they can apply immediately. So I chose productivity tips for remote workers. Not too saturated, not too obscure, just right. And here's the truth. If I had picked something random like crypto trading signals or motivational quotes, I probably would have gotten zero traction. So if you're starting, don't guess. Research. Spend an hour on free tools. It's the foundation of everything. All right, now the part you've been waiting for. How I actually created the content. Every single day I followed this simple 5-step workflow. All tools 100% free. Step 1. Brainstorming ideas. I'd open ChatGPT and type a prompt like this. Show screen. Give me 10 ultra-practical productivity tips that take less than 30 seconds to explain, specifically for people working from home. Make them fresh and actionable. Boom, 10 solid ideas in seconds. I'd pick 1 or 2 that felt exciting. Step 2. Writing the script. Then I'd go to Claude.ai, free tier, and say, turn this tip into a 20-30 second reel script with a strong hook, clear value, and a natural call to action. For example, one script became, feeling overwhelmed by your to-do list? Here's a game changer, the 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it right now. Emails, dishes, quick replies, it clears your mind instantly. I've been using this for weeks and my productivity has doubled. Try it today. What's one 2-minute task you can knock out right now? Short, punchy, relatable. Step 3. Creating the voiceover next, ElevenLabs free tier. I'd paste the script, choose a warm, natural voice, I love Rachel or Adam, and generate crystal clear audio in under 10 seconds. No robotic sound, feels like a real person talking to you. Step 4. Building the video. This is where the magic happens. Background. Beautiful free stock footage from Pexels, cozy home offices, time-lapse of someone working, calming music underneath. Visuals. Simple AI-generated images from Leonardo.ai free tier, like a clean desk, a timer counting down, or animated text. Editing. All in CapCut, free app. Add big text overlays, smooth transitions, subtle zoom effects. Total time per video, about 45 to 60 minutes once I got the flow down. Step 5. Posting and growing. I posted every day on Instagram, Reels, YouTube Shorts, and LinkedIn. Hashtags, researched with free tools, things like my productivity hacks, remote work, work from home, focus mode posted at peak times, 7-9 a.m. and 6-8 p.m. Consistency was key, I didn't miss a day. Now let's talk money, the part everyone wants to know. Month 1, I posted 30 videos. Total views across platforms, around 80,000. Income, $420, mostly from affiliate links in my bio. Notion templates, productivity apps I genuinely use. I was excited, but honestly a little disappointed. I expected more. Then I analyzed what worked. Better hooks, stronger visuals, more engaging questions at the end. Month 2, views jumped to over 150,000. Income, $1,234 total. $734 from affiliates and $500 from 2 small brand deals that reached out via DM. $0 spent, just time and consistency. Was it easy? No. Was it worth it? Absolutely. And here's the honest truth, your results might be lower at first. Or higher if you're better at visuals or pick a hotter niche. There are no guarantees, but the risk is literally zero. So here's what I want you to take away. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a real low-risk way to build a side income using tools that are free right now. If you enjoy creating, if you're willing to show up consistently, and if you're okay starting small, this could be a game changer for you too. I've put everything you need in the description. All my prompts, tool links, hashtag list, even my favorite script templates, completely free. Start with 1 video this week. Just 1. And when you do, come back and tell me in the comments, what was your first tip about? I read every single comment and reply. Thank you so much for watching. If this helped you even a little, hit that like button, it really helps. Subscribe if you want more real, no BS AI content. See you in the next one. Now go create something.